Namaste, India. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever stopped to wonder what fuels this incredible nation of 1.4 billion people? Is it the bustling markets, the booming tech industry, or the dreams of every young Indian chasing success? Well, it's all of that, and more. Today, we're diving into the heart of the Indian economy, its rich history, vibrant present, and jaw-dropping potential for the future. Whether you're here to learn, debate, or dream big, this video is for you. So grab a chai, settle in, and let's uncover what makes India's economy tick and why it's on the brink of something extraordinary. A rich history, from glory to grit. Let's rewind to a time when India was the economic superpower. Back in the day, India contributed nearly 25% of the world's GDP, thriving on its vibrant trade routes, textiles, and spices. We weren't just a country, we were the world's shopping mall. But then came colonial rule. For nearly 2 centuries, we were drained of resources, and by the time we gained independence in 1947, we were left with a struggling economy. And yet, like the phoenix, India began to rise. In the early years, we experimented with a mixed economy, blending socialism with market dynamics. But the game changer? 1991. The year of economic liberalization. It was like India hit the refresh button, and suddenly, the global stage couldn't ignore us anymore. The present, a powerhouse in the making. Fast forward to today. India isn't just surviving, it's thriving. We're the 5th largest economy in the world and growing faster than most of the global giants. Let's break it down. 1. Agriculture. It's more than just farming, it's the soul of India. 1. Employing almost half our population, it powers rural India, though modernization remains a challenge. 2. Industry. From cars to steel to space tech. Yes, we're talking about Chandrayaan. India is making its mark in manufacturing and innovation. 3. Services. Here's where we truly shine. 3. Our IT sector alone contributes billions to the economy. 3. Fun fact. There's a high chance your favorite app or platform has Indian brains behind it. 4. Startup fever. Did you know India is the 3rd largest startup ecosystem globally? 4. From Paytm to Byju's, unicorns are popping up everywhere, redefining industries and inspiring a generation. And let's not forget, what truly powers this economy is you, the youth of India. With over 65% of the population under the age of 35, this is a nation brimming with ambition and ideas. The challenges we face, but hey, no journey to greatness is without its hurdles. Here's what's holding us back. 1. Income inequality. The rich are getting richer, while many still struggle to make ends meet. 2. Unemployment. While jobs are growing, so is our population. We need more opportunities to keep up. 3. Infrastructure. We've made strides, but let's be honest, we're still catching up when it comes to world-class cities and rural connectivity. 4. Climate change. As one of the most vulnerable nations, balancing growth with sustainability is a challenge we can't ignore. 4. The future -$10 trillion and beyond. Now, here's the exciting part. India is not just growing, it's gearing up to become the 3rd largest economy by 2030. Initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat, Digital India, and Skill India are setting the stage for a self-reliant, tech-savvy, and globally competitive nation. Picture this. India as a leader in green energy, exporting solar solutions to the world. A startup ecosystem that's the Silicon Valley of the East. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started. So, here's the big question. Are you ready to be part of this revolution? Whether you're a student, a worker, or a dreamer, every single one of us has a role to play in shaping India's economic destiny. If you believe in this journey, hit that like button, share this video, and comment below with your thoughts on India's economic future. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon because we've got more stories, insights, and inspiration coming your way. Until next time, keep dreaming big and remember, the future of India is our future. Jai Hind.